Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fun and stylish instant camera on the market, Fujifilm's Instax Wide EVO. This camera combines retro design with modern digital features, and it's packed with creative options that'll take your instant photography to the next level. So let's check it out. First, let's see what comes in a box. We have the USB-A to USB-C cable, the camera strap, a user guide, and the camera itself. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it comes with this nice lens cap. Now let's talk about the design. It's got a sleek black and dark silver body with textured leather-like material that has a premium feel in your hands. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, perfect for taking with you wherever you go. Now let's have a look around. You've got physical dials on both sides that let you choose from 10 film and lens effects. This here is the print crank that you roll to print your shots, just like the film rewind knob on an old school camera. How cool is that? You have strap lugs to attach your camera strap. Here is the USB-C port for charging, as well as the micro SD card slot for expanded storage. At the front, we have the 16mm f2.4 wide-angle lens. Also, the degree control dial at the front of the lens. Next to it, we have the wide-angle switch. We have a flash, a selfie mirror, and here is the shutter button. On top of the camera, we have the film style button with LED status light. Under the camera, you have a tripod socket so you can mount the camera on a tripod. And at the back, we can see the big screen that we can use to frame and review our shots, and the joystick to navigate menus and buttons. Here's the print door latch. This is where we load the film. Let's load it with some of this new Instax metallic film. The Instax Wide Instant Film offers a big canvas for your instant memories, making it perfect for capturing more details. The large format brings your photos to life with vibrant colors and sharp details that really stands out. It makes it easy for you to frame everyone into one shot, but also perfect for landscape photos or photos with negative space. Plus, its instant gratification brings a fun, nostalgic touch to any moments. The wide-angle lens on this camera is the perfect fit for the format. All you have to do is turn the wide-angle mode on and take a photo, and voila! As you can see here, you can capture your images in a wide angle. On the top of the camera, you can see that there's a button where you can choose from 6 different film styles. A dynamic photo captured by wide format can be transformed into a work of art. The camera also has a big LCD screen on the back, so you can preview your shots before printing, which is a great feature for an instant camera to only capture in print what you want. It's also great for getting your framing just right and previewing the effects. Of course, you still get that classic Instax instant print experience. Each shot prints on Instax Wide Instant Film, which comes in all kinds of fun borders and designs, including this new Instax Metallic Instant Film, which is sold separately, of course. Let's talk features. One of the standout features is the 100 combinations of lens and film effects. All you have to do is rotate the dials to your preferred setting, and you can mix and match to create unique looks for your prints. It's super easy to experiment with. Now here's some shots I took with some lens and film effects. But that's not all. On this Instax Wide EVO camera, there is a new degree control where you are able to change the degree of the effects. Rotate the lens ring and you can see here the degree of the effects changes. Now this can further expand your creativity. With the Instax Wide EVO smartphone app available for download to iOS and Android smartphone devices, you can transfer your camera images to your smartphone and save them in an artful way. Once you print, you can also post your photo to Instagram with the dedicated hashtag #InstaxWideEvo, to reflect your photo to the Discover feed to let the world know what settings you used. You can also use the Discover feed for inspiration on how others use the Instax Wide EVO camera. You can download the same settings and reflect it to your Instax Wide EVO. Now, what a great way to inspire creativity. You can also, of course, print photos straight from your smartphone using the Instax Wide EVO camera, so it doubles as a smartphone printer. And when you send an image to print from your smartphone, it's as easy as selecting the images, editing it in the Instax Wide EVO app, and pressing print. Your photo ejects from the Wide EVO camera in just a few seconds. You can also use the remote shooting mode to take a photo from far away and print. So whether you're a fan of design, love the creativity of instant photography, or want a camera that doubles as a smartphone printer, the Instax Wide EVO checks all the boxes. It's fun, versatile, and an awesome conversation starter. So this is going to be it for the first look at the Fujifilm Instax Wide EVO. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about the Instax Wide EVO instant camera and if you're planning to grab one yourself. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji guys.